Trailers are inspected for cleanliness before unloading begins.
Once approved, unloading can begin safely. Forklifts unload whole eggplants carefully to protect fruit integrity. Pallets are staged in FIFO order to control flow and freshness. Incoming weight is recorded to track yield and inventory. New lot codes ensure traceability through the process.
Accepted and rejected fruit are clearly segregated to protect the process.
Approved pulp is directed to blending to meet customer specifications.
Homogenization improves texture consistency for downstream filling.
Critical time and temperature parameters are verified to ensure.
Here at the receiving dock, we focus on unloading for traceability, ensuring every crate is tracked.
Incoming weight is recorded to reconcile yield and inventory by lot.
Each pallet receives a unique lot code to maintain full traceability.
Visual inspection screens out damaged or decased fruit before processing.
Representative samples are taken to verify temperature and baseline quality.
Fruit temperature is verified to confirm cold chain compliance on arrival.
The audio features a voiceover stating, baseline solids and pH are recorded to establish incoming quality.
Lots are held under quarantine until all checks are cleared.
Released fruit is queued to feed the washing line without delays.
Gentle tipping transfers whole eggplants into the process while minimizing damage. Pre-screening removes field debris before washing.
A water flume gently washes soil from the fruit surface.
Fresh water sprays complete the initial cleaning step.
Sanitizer concentration and contact time are controlled to reduce surface microbes.
A final rinse removes residual sanitizer before further handling. Excess surface water is removed to improve downstream inspection accuracy.
Trained operators remove any remaining defective fruit.
Optical sorting adds a final layer of defect removal before cutting.
Accepted fruit is transferred smoothly to preparation for pulping. Stems are removed to prevent bitterness and protect downstream equipment.
Controlled cutting creates uniform pieces for efficient pulping. Grinding breaks down tissue to release pulp for separation. The pulper separates usable pulp from coarse fiber. A controlled diverter sends fiber to byproduct processing while pulp continues forward.
Heat transfer efficiency.
A buffer tank stabilizes flow before standardization. Fiber is mechanically dewatered to prepare it for drying as a byproduct.
Dewatered fiber is transferred in enclosed conveyors to maintain hygiene.
Controlled drying reduces moisture to stabilize the fiber. Drying continues until target moisture is reached.
Milling converts dried fiber into a uniform powder.
Sifting and bagging complete the fiber byproduct stream. Gentle blending equalizes solids before heat treatment. Quality after pasteurization. The sterile surge tank buffers product before aseptic filling. Sterile connectors protect product integrity during transfer to filling. Heat seals are formed to maintain package sterility. Spot and date codes link finished product back to raw materials. Automatic check weighing confirms each pack meets declared weight. Vision systems confirm seal integrity before palletizing. Controlled accumulation prepares units for efficient palletizing. Automated palletizing builds stable, repeatable loads. Stretch wrapping stabilizes pallets for storage and transport.
Finished pallets are stored under controlled conditions before dispatch.
Pallets are selected according to shipment orders and staged for loading. Finished goods are loaded carefully to prevent transit damage. Clean-in-place cycles restore hygienic conditions after production. Wastewater is screened to remove solids before treatment. Dissolved air flotation separates fats and fine solids for safe disposal.
Biological treatment reduces organic load before discharge.
Sludge is dewatered for compliant disposal. Clear return and conductivity confirm effective cleaning before release.
Documented line release authorizes the next production run.
Sealed containers depart with full traceability and documentation. Receiving areas are cleared and prepared for the next intake cycle.
Routine inspections confirm readiness and prevent cross-contamination. Fiber powder is stored dry and labeled for shipment to customers.
We are now archiving the quality records, completing the batch documentation process.
The plant stands ready for the next production cycle.
Lockout procedures ensure equipment is safe before maintenance. Critical wear parts are inspected to maintain separation efficiency. Removable parts are washed and sanitized before reinstallation. Proper reassembly ensures reliable performance in the next cycle.
Pre-run hygiene checks verify that raw contact surfaces are clean.
Water-only testing confirms proper flow and drainage before production. Test water is routed directly to wastewater treatment.
Documentation is verified before trucks are allowed onto the dock.
Proper docking secures the vehicle for safe unloading.
Pallets are loaded with spacing to prevent movement during transit.
Seals secure the shipment and maintain traceability. Accurate documents accompany every shipment for compliance. Finished product leaves the facility for customers.